Nature gives you vitality, caring, and let your spirit be free. Nature is all around us. Every breath you take is clean and fresh. By using high-tech nano-ion technology to form Ionpaint, it will release at least 1,200 cubic centimeters of negative ion continuously within 24 hours to help purify the air. Ionpaint, home living with refreshing air. As the world industrial revolution grows tremendously, people have to pay a heavier price. Air pollution is a leading cause of cancer in the 21st century. According to the World Health Organization, air pollution kills more than 5.5 million people around the world every year. According to the International Agency of Research on Cancer, indoor air contains 2 to 5 times more contaminants than outdoors. After house renovations, the release period of pollutants such as formaldehyde, benzene, and VOC, which released from the renovation materials, will be more than 10 years. There are also a variety of pollutants hidden indoors, such as PM2.5 fine particles, allergens, mold, nicotine, and pollen. These contaminants will cause varying degrees of health damage. Ionpaint Home Liquor consists of 7 major functions. The made of Ionpaint with anion lacquer by using high-tech nano-ion technology can release 1,200 cubic centimeters of anion. It helps in air purification, and its antibacterial function can protect your loved ones. 100% mercury and lead-free, Ionpaint helps to minimize growth of algae, mold, and mildew. It is also easy to clean the surface dirt. The hydro-soluble Ionpaint is a quick-dry formula with low level of VOC. Totally odorless, you can move in at any time after painting. Exposure in the environment with high concentration of anions over a long period of time not only helps to improve the air quality, but also purifies blood systems and effectively eliminates human fatigue. Ionpaint also receives anion certification from international agencies. Ionpaint, home living with refreshing air.